the Igbo spirituality teaching circles, and there are Nkuzi gasi ife Igbo, which is anybody, right? More kunita. Amongst those circles, and maybe in every other human nature circle, which is everywhere, where they now struggle with 3D consciousness emotions. 3D consciousness emotions include pride, because 3D self is the ego self. As such, I no go dey surprised when some Igbo teacher or the other, maybe including me, right? They expect some form of pride reward, right? Because even the highest person we don't reach 5D consciousness, still they float. It's a reminder it's consciousness. You being in higher consciousness that you're even conscious that those lower energy, so that you can introspect, right? So you know that they exist so that you can introspect. But one thing that I do not do, one thing that I stay conscious of is my mission. Yeah. If you could say qual cancer, Yota. In case you know hear the message, that's in waiting more talk. Qual cancer. No, qual cancer. So guy, even if you say I no send you, even if you say I hate half of your message, bro. If you come down to qual cancer for that your message, like I just watch one guy message now at the end, now he just tell everybody. If you are having problem with giving birth, if you people are having problem with giving birth or your children are dying, yeah, if I probably on more the absent in now buying, more the bro, more put it anywhere, more. So I'm not coming to prove it to anybody. Make nobody vex. Go prove them by yourself. Or if you watch my live, they see the proof. Say the proof of the pudding is in the eating of it. So the dude say if you're having difficulty with reproduction and swell growth, not because of someone. So now, so if you are having problem with that, man, especially for one that is having problem with that, with having birth, yeah. Julu, Jeju esa kwali on Mamu ni meya, Mama alo adibon. Mama mo emugodu nwa se mo nwa ya eme ki eta ofu. Yata, mo fun nwa debego punishment ya since be fair ya kwede mo. Makana ọrụ na adịlọ mma. So inwe ka iso nwetagodo nwa, who the hell are you and where did you get that baby from? Maka na esi n'ụlọ malụ mmapụta na ma mmụọ bụ na ya bata bụ unu. So ọ bụ na alụ dị na amongst the temple of mmụọ bụ unu, na only you know who come inside na your belly. So I see that message, I repost it. You understand what I'm saying? So why would they pride? Why would they pride? Make everybody be as from your house. Make nobody try be as of me from my own house. I'm my own. You know what I'm saying? So why would they be as? Make we still remember say purpose bo. Come on na theater. 80-20 on 80-20 I will go 100%. 80-20 come on na theater. So if you can message your bro, if you can message a fellow Onyozi, don't kill the messenger. If you message a fellow Onyozi, bro, repost them. You understand? That thing not the most important thing. More bona we Biafra, more bona na China and Singapore in development. Now be the most important thing. More bona na alu medebe, alu pose. There's nothing more important than more. So now be the focus. Obolo akokata and when one opportunity here press down on the accelerator, or you shut up. Maybe if an accident like the Zion thing happens, you shut the fuck up. Don't come out and start saying that Okabualu, Okana, Okagana, Okabualu. If you enjoy the insights that I share, you're going to find my book insightful as well. So check out the copy of Igbo 101 by Alusi Pablo wherever you get books.